How to fix if user is not logged in Among Us. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. Now, if you are facing the issue where user is not logged in Among Us, then in this video, I will guide you on how you can fix this problem. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. For this, you can open up any web browser and head over to internet speed testing websites such as fast.com and check if the internet is the issue. You can switch between Wi-Fi and data to fix this problem. Now, if internet is not the problem, then the next step is to update the application to the latest version. For this, you want to open up Play Store or App Store, tap on the search bar and search for Among Us. Here, if you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. This is going to fix any bugs in the application. Now you want to tap on the play option and check if the problem has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, then tap and hold on Among Us. Tap on this I button to open app info. You can head over to settings for this as well. Now tap on the storage option. Here tap on clear cache. Once that is done, check if the problem has been fixed. Now, sometimes the issue might not be on our end. It can be that the server is down in Among Us. Now, to check that, you want to open up any web browser and go to websites such as Down Detector and check if Among Us is down at the moment. If it is down, then all you can do is wait until they fix this problem. Now, if nothing else works, you can also uninstall the application and then install it again from Play Store or App Store. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.